See the rainwater.
Oh, okay.
This is good for health also.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are using still today this water only for cooking and drinking. In Tamil we used to say article.
Oh,
Grinder in modern days. So we used to sit down like this and grind like this. This is to make chutney. Even now we are using this only to make chutney like this. Like this. In Tamil culture, in everybody's kitchen, this type will be there. Because without this, no lady can cook in Tamil Nadu. I'd like to say that we are living with the nature. That means sunshine comes directly to us. If rain comes, we are enjoying the rain because rainwater also comes here and cross ventilation is always here. So we feel that we are living with the nature.
Hello all, this is Simon. You are watching Simon Vlogs. In this video, we are going to explore 150 years old house. In our channel, we are exploring various type of Indian culture. So that in this video, we are exploring this house. Let's get into the video. ஆக்சுவலாக இப்போ அந்த வீடியோ ஏன் வந்து இங்கிலீஷில் வருது அப்படின்னா ரொம்ப பேர் இந்த வீடியோ வந்து பார்த்துருக்காங்க, லட்சக்கணக்கில் பார்த்துருக்காங்க. வெளிநாடுகளில் நம்ம தமிழ் பேசாத மக்கள் ஏகப்பட்ட பேர் பார்த்துருக்காங்க. அவங்கன்னா வந்து இந்த வீடியோ வந்து இங்கிலீஷில் வேணும் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி கமெண்ட்ஸ்ல ஏகப்பட்ட பேர் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, மேடம்கிட்ட ஏகப்பட்ட பேர் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ அந்த ஒரு காரணத்தினால இந்த வீடியோ ஃபுல்லாகவே இங்கிலீஷில் தான் இருக்க போகுது. சரி, நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம்.
We welcome you all to our house. Welcome in the sense I'm welcoming everybody in the all over the world. Welcome. The name of our house is SAS RM House, Karnataka. The house is located in the place called Karnataka, Sivagangai district. Please come. I want to tell something about my house. This house is 150 years old house, and we are very much privileged that we are living here, and we are the 5th generation we are living here. And the main materials used to build this house is teak wood from Burma. The teak wood is used for this door and for the ceiling and for this wooden carvings and inside the pillars. When we go inside, we can see it. And pillars, if you take pillars, there are 3 types of pillars here. One is this Italian marble pillar. You can see this. If you come here, you can touch and feel the shining. And the second one is the teak pillar. And the third one is this type of stone pillar. And I'd like to say something about my door. It is not easy to open this door. Simon, if you try this, you have to push the door. When you push, the door itself teaches us something. Always work hard to reach your goal. If you want to go inside, you have to put effort. So if you put effort, then only you can open the door. So we feel that the door itself teaches us something here. When you talk about the flooring, this is the original flooring. And here Portland cement is mixed with egg white and jaggery, seashells, and with some other ingredients which we don't know. And they made a fine paste and they use this for the floor and for the walls. But now we lost this art because nobody knows how to prepare this. So when it gets damaged, we are using only Athangudi tiles. The reason for using Athangudi tiles is It is handmade, nothing else. It is handmade. If you go for marble or for tiles, it is machine made. But Athamudi tiles is handmade. It is good for the health. So inside the house, we are using only Athamudi tiles.
The mirrors and glasses are from Belgium. And the cross ventilation in this place is very correct because if you see the first window, you can see the last window from the place. Here.
Shall I see it? See, sir?
Yeah, please.
So, absolutely correct, sir. Okay.
There are 30 rooms here. Each room is having minute wooden carving. Carving in the sense it is handmade only. And here the Nadaraja with the Dwara Balagar is here. And the top is the ivory dolls, which is the unique thing in this house. And inside all the rooms are having wooden carvings only, like Vinayaga, Muruga, Lord Shiva with Parvati, and Nadaraja, Perumal, all the gods are there. If you come inside, you can see each and everything and you can enjoy. We are very much privileged that he has built this house. He is the first generation. And his son, the second generation, and this one is again his son, third generation, and this is my father-in-law, fourth generation, and my family is here, fifth generation. If you see moon, what will you think?
Light, bright light.
You see the beauty of God.
Oh.
If you see moon, you see the beauty of God. If you see sun,
Beauty of God. That's also one of
the power of God.
Oh.
If
Okay.
you see the sun, you see the power of God. If you see the moon, you see the beauty of God. If you see the mirror,
Beauty of
the beautiful creation of God. If you see the mirror, you see the beautiful creation of God.
that's a different from teacher and student. My answer like student. Your answer
Come, I'll
is a
show you the
teacher.
mirror.
Okay.
This is the original Belgium mirror.
Oh.
And when I see Mrs. Lakshmi here, the beautiful creation of God. I am Mrs. Lakshmi Ramu. I am very happy that I belong to this house. So my name is Mrs. Lakshmi. My husband is Mr. Ramu. I have worked as a principal in Army School. My husband worked as a manager in ICICI Bank. So always we welcome you to our house. This is the original teakwood pillar, and this is a single tree pillar. It is not joined together. All the pillars are single tree pillars, and this is stone.
This is also local stone only.
Okay.
In order to differentiate, they are just making a color in this.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
See, as I have told you in the entrance, everywhere you can see the wooden ceiling only. The ceiling is wood. So
Teakwood.
Teakwood, and it makes you cool. Always the house will be very warm and cool. That's why they are using the wooden seal. And one more interesting factor is there. You can see the iron rounds. See here, everywhere. It is used for cradle, baby's cradle.
Oh, okay.
So afterwards, if you touch this, it may get damaged. So how they forethought all these things. So when they built the house, they made this iron rounds.
Okay.
So if
And they used to put the mother's cloth here,
Oh,
and then they will put the baby
saree.
mother's saree.
this is Indian culture.
Yeah. Because with the smell of the mother, the baby will sleep good.
Okay.
See, there are 10 rooms here. Each room is having the separate carving. In all the 10 rooms will have different type of mythological stories of India. Each one is a different, not the same one.
here you can see Meenakshi Tirkalyanam. Meenakshi's marriage, which is very famous in Madurai. That wooden carving is here.
So one of the famous temple in India,
Yeah,
Meenakshi.
in India, Meenakshi. So that one. I like to show you one more very interesting carving. here you can see the bow and arrow. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see
bow
it.
and arrow.
Yeah.
This is very minute work. So whenever you see a bow, the string, we have to come back. Then why should we come back?
It's going.
Friend.
Yeah.
So whenever you feel defeated or in your life or if you feel sad, don't worry. Definitely you will go friend.
Once come back, I can automatically go.
Definitely you will go friend.
It's Newton Tal, I think so.
Yeah, I feel that whenever we see the things in our house, it teaches us something. So if you look up, you can see the fan, isn't it? What does it teach you? Always be cool.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, can you please open the door for our viewers?
Then I have to bring the key. Just give me time. To Simon's viewers, I like to show one of my rooms. So usually I
Among
never,
30 rooms.
Yeah.
Okay.
Usually I'll never open any rooms. Like this only, all the rooms will be, and everywhere, as I have told you, the wooden carvings will be there. Ceiling is again wood only, made up of wood.
Oh.
So inside the room, though there is only one window, you always will feel cool. And this is a cupboard. And you can see the work in the cupboard also. A small work, but it is very neat and clean work.
So, madam, is this a single room or a double room?
Double room. This one, and come with me. This is again one more room.
Oh. So normally the rooms are constructed this.
This way only. All the rooms are like this.
Oh.
And this is, I told you, the egg polish.
Oh, yeah.
And see the breadth of one wall from here to here.
Ma'am,
Nowadays,
I think it will be 2 feet.
2 feet wall.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
definitely.
Yeah.
Nowadays, people used to construct a wall like this.
Yeah.
On single.
The people are used to build 1 feet wall in outside. Inside the room, they feet off feet.
But see, everywhere, not only here, everywhere the wall size is this much only.
Okay.
This is the center hall where usually the marriages or any other function will be taking place. And this is a puja room.
Oh.
So, we used to decorate it here for the bride and bridegroom, and most of the people will be sitting around like this. As I have told you, no furniture, we have to sit like this only.
Oh.
Down only. All the ladies,
Oh.
especially, gents will be sitting there.
Okay.
There and also outside. So this is where the marriages will be taking place, and if the crowd is more, they can view from upstairs also.
Oh, okay.
Because from there you can see everything.
Okay.
For the small functions, pujas, everything will be celebrated here only.
There were 50 people living here. There were 5 families living together, and they share everything. The purpose of having this much of rooms is only because of the people lived around 50. That's why they need each room for the family, and then they build rooms like
150 years old, they lived as a joint family.
Joint
Okay.
family.
Okay.
this. Single kitchen only.
Okay.
Kitchen will be single. Everybody will be share the kitchen, and the families live here. There are around 50 people at the time of construction of the house.
This is actually our dining area. And we told about the pillars in the entrance, the same pillars. Italian marble pillars only used here. And flooring here, it is Atamdi tiles.
It's again different.
We are using Atamdi tiles here.
Different design.
Different design.
Yeah.
Yes. And these are the color mirrors. If you come in the morning, the sunlight will be reflected and the colors will be reflected here down. It is looking nice. And in those days, by seeing the light itself, they can understand the time when there is no watch. This is the fire extinguisher, which was used in olden days. Everywhere, even in upstairs, we are having one type like this. In those days, when some chaos like a fire happens, means they use this. We will never use furniture, Simon.
What is the reason behind this, man?
I'll explain you. Come. See, this is our kitchen area. For not having the furniture, I can say, if you sit down like this and eat like this, that is a great exercise to the body. And if you want to relax, you can sit like this, like a chair.
Oh.
So everywhere you can see this type. Always you can notice
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I noticed.
So old people, they can relax like this, and they can eat like this.
Oh.
So we used to eat like this, and for me it is very easy for me to get up also. But even now, 40 years, 30 years old people cannot sit down. This is again stone pillar.
Okay.
Stone.
So somewhat different from that stone pillar.
Stone pillar.
Oh, okay, okay.
And fully stone, and that is also a stone pillar.
So what is the vessel name, ma'am? What is the name of the vessel?
This is a rainwater harvesting system. This is made up of copper.
Okay.
So when it rains, the water will be drained automatically and filtered.
Oh.
So you can see the water inside. So the water can be used for cooking and drinking purpose. See there, rainwater.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is good for health also.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are using still today this water only for cooking and drinking.
Oh.
Still today. This part, copper vessel, is again 100 years old.
Oh,
And we are using this only for cooking and drinking purpose.
okay.
And another one exercise for the ladies. This one.
So what is the name of this particular?
Now in modern days they are calling it as grinder.
Okay.
But in Tamil we used to say article.
Oh.
Grinder in modern days. So we used to sit down like this and grind like this.
This is also one type of exercise.
Exercise for the hands. To make batter for idli and dosa, we use this. Still. Even when there is no science or technology, I feel very much wondered that those people, they made this drainage system very pakka. That is, even in the no rainwater will be there, even if it rains continuously, because the water will be drained and goes out directly outside to the road. That side also to the front side road.
It's a Bakka rainwater.
Rainwater system is there.
The rainwater harvesting and as well the drainage system.
Waste water will go automatically outside.
Okay.
The seepage is also very nice system. I wonder really how they thought and how they made all these things. And I'll show you one more interesting thing in the kitchen. Even now we are cooking in part. If you prepare like any sabji in this, that will taste will be really different. And if you prepare rice in this, you'll love eating more and more. This one is used to make, what to say, for the gods. We used to prepare mavilakku. For that, and we will prepare like this.
This is also one type of exercise.
Yes, exercise only. Even now we are using this only. We have to put rice in this and make powder with this.
Oh.
And then with that we have to put jaggery and we made a fine paste.
Okay. Okay.
And this one, this is to make chutney. Even now we are using this only to make chutney like this. We have to sit like this and like this. So whatever chutney you want, whether coconut chutney or garlic chutney or tomato chutney, whatever you want, you can make like this, and this taste will be entirely different. What you make in mixer grinder, that is machine made, it will be very hot or heat, but this one is so naturally prepared, so always the taste will be very nice. In Tamil culture, in everybody's kitchen, this type will be there, because without this no lady can cook in Tamil Nadu. So, and this is the oldest one. Nowadays it comes in ever silver, plastic and in some other metal, but this is actually the old traditional one. Another interesting factor about the houses, from the entrance till the end, you can see this stone in the path. Only both sides you can see Athamudi tiles. You know why, Simon? We are using this type of tiles in the park?
I don't know, madam. Please explain.
Because if you walk on the tiles, your feet may get pain. But if you walk on this type of stone, definitely it is like acupressure. You will never get pain. Even if you are having pain, it will be alright. If you walk in this, it is a kind of exercise to the body. So in those days, they thought all these things. These are all the original Belgian mirrors, which they kept in all the four corners. And some more things are kept here, but I kept everything inside because people, those who are coming here, may damage. They don't know the value of the things. So I'm afraid to keep it outside.
I think this pot is damaged.
Yes. So you can't buy now all these things. So we have to preserve these things. So there are corner stands here, which is so nice. So people, those who are coming here for shooting or for sightseeing, they are damaging.
So difficult to maintain.
Very difficult to clean the house, and to maintain the things is another big process for us. So we kept everything there inside the rooms.
So what is the age of this mirror, ma'am?
Maybe 150 years.
Maybe 150 years.
Yes. But
So
still
you'll
it is very crystal clear.
So not
mirror.
even one scratches in this.
In this mirror, yes, very crystal clear. All the mirrors. See how they made the shapes in mirrors itself. Glass.
Ma'am, what is the purpose of this big hall, ma'am?
All is, our ancestor, one of our ancestors is very much interested in music. So he used to keep concerts here. So many very famous musicians will come here, and they used to keep very, very big music concert here. So this is a music hall.
Music hall. The home separately having the music hall.
Yes. This is the backside gate of our house. With this, our house is ended. And to your surprise, from here, if you see there, you can see the length of the house, and it is a straight line. And it is a symmetrical house, I have told you already. Whatever you are seeing, this left side will be there in the right side. And the path is also because of cross ventilation.
Oh, okay. The doors and the windows also same line.
It is same line, in perfect line. That also, when there is no signs or no scale, they made like this. We have come from the entrance, that is, we started from that street. And now this is the backside of our house, and this is the next street. So our house is starting from one street and ending in another street. That is a very peculiar thing of all the Chettinad houses.
See, actually, the size of the houses are very big because of the family. And we have migrated from Pumbuhar, that is nearby Tanjore.
Okay.
We have been shifted from Pumbuhar because of the tsunami. Tsunami affected our families. That's why we shifted from there, and we are here. We are not disturbed by water now. If you want to see any seashore from here, it is more than 120 kilometers from all the sites. Why they have chosen Pumbuhar means it is very near to the port.
Oh.
The people used to go to abroad only by ship. That's why they selected Pumbuhar. So actually they brought all the teakwood from Burma by ship.
Oh.
They used to put their initial in the tree. And by seeing the initial here in India, they will take their own trees.
See, not only by ship, but sometimes through the flow of water. When the water flows, the floating angle they'll see, and they'll push according to the season. They'll put the wood like teak wood, and they'll write the initials in that. So the water flows slowly, and it reaches the Pumbuhar Now you can't believe this, but it happened actually.
Oh.
It had happened actually. So it comes by itself. And in the shore, they saw their own names and they used to bring it, and they brought this by bullock carts from Pumbuhar to here by bullock carts only. No other transportation, no car or nothing like that.
Stones and all.
Everything by bullock cart only.
Okay. I think the big houses are so dense here. What is the reason behind this, sir?
See, all the people living here are interrelated. They were mainly involved in the same trade and they have earned in the same place and they brought money from Burma and they built all these things. That's why there is some similarity here.
Okay.
And as they were afraid of sea water, they built in such a height.
Oh.
In stone, especially they used the stone and the height because they were mostly affected by tsunami in those days. So that was in their mind. So they built like this, very big houses which cannot be affected by any natural calamities.
Okay.
This is the place where they used to keep all the vegetables. Now I am keeping the unwanted things here. Such a big hall.
Oh.
They used to keep the vegetables, groceries.
For marriage purpose.
For marriage. And this is the hall where I showed you, no, down.
Yeah.
Dining hall. That upstairs, this one is. All the rooms we are keeping only like these things only. It is not of any use nowadays. There are so many rooms like this
Oh.
in upstairs. And this from here you can see, get the view of the road also.
Oh.
I always want to support Simon. I don't know why. Maybe he is like my student, I can
Thank
say.
you.
And you know one thing, heart is the only thing which never stops, isn't it? So always make your heart happy. You have to make your heart also happy, others also. Either yours or others, or both yours and others. I want to make always Simon's heart happy. Always you people also must make Simon happy by subscribing him.
I hope you people enjoyed this video. Hereafter, I plan to explore this kind of Indian culture to your people. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. So please subscribe our channel for further updates. If you people are plan to come this house, just please.
There is a QR code here. You please read the QR code. You will reach the location.
This video is especially for the foreign people also. So if you come by flight, the nearby airports are Trichy or Madurai. Either you can come to Trichy or to Madurai, and from there you hire a taxi and you say the name of our place is Kannadakattan, and you can come directly from there. Trichy to Karaikudi road, on the road. From Madurai also you have to reach Karaikudi, then from there you have to come here. And after reaching Kannadakattan, this is the name of the house is SASRM house. At any time you can visit here because we are living here only. Always you are all are welcome to our house.
Thank you.
Thank you.